Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Now I am briefing with you about essential preparation on WordPress. Here are the essential preparation you need to get your WordPress account ready. Selecting a domain name. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. Number 2. Include relevant keywords or your brand name to improve search engine visibility. Number 3. Avoid numbers, hyphens, or special characters that can confuse users. Choosing a domain name feel like a tough task. Our AI domain name generator is exactly what you need. Choosing a reliable web hosting provider. Number 1. Uptime reliability. Ensure the hosting provider offers high uptime to minimize website downtime. Number 2. Speed and performance. Look for hosting services with fast server response times. Number 3. Customer support. Go for providers with responsive and knowledgeable support teams. Number 4. Scalability options. Choose a hosting provider that offers different plans to accommodate your website's growth. Number 5. Experience. Find a provider that has a successful proven track record of helping customers with their online businesses. Installing WordPress. Once you have picked and paid for your WordPress hosting package with your domain name, it will be automatically installed on your account. You can start selecting themes and plugins to enhance the look and functionality of your website. Navigating web.com's WordPress dashboard. The WordPress dashboard is the control center of your website, where you can manage and customize its various aspects. Key features of the WordPress dashboard include: Number 1. Dashboard Home provides an overview of your website's activity, including recent posts, comments, and statistics. Number 2. Post and pages create and manage your website's content, whether it's blog post or static pages. Number 3. Media library upload and manage images, videos, and other media files to be used on your website. Number 4. Appearance customize your website's theme, menus, widgets, and other visual elements. Number 5. Plugins. Install and manage plugins to extend the functionality of your website. Number 6. Settings. Configure important settings related to your website's general writing, reading, and other aspects. If you want to customize your dashboard menu, you can head to admin menu. You can find this by clicking settings menu editor. Under the admin menu tab, you will see an exact copy of the left side buttons. They are all inside rectangular boxes which you can drag if you want to change their positions. You will also have a toolbar where you can decide whether to cut, copy, paste, hide, add new, or delete items. Beside it, you will also see the sub-menus with the same toolbar. You can then select Save Changes, Undo Changes, or Load Default menu. Selecting a theme for WordPress websites. Choosing the right theme for your WordPress websites is crucial as it sets the overall look and feel of your site. It plays a significant role in creating a positive user experience and reflecting your brand identity. A well-designed theme enhances the visual appeal, functionality, and professionalism of your website, ultimately attracting and engaging your audience. Exploring free vs premium versus premium theme. When you selecting a theme, you have the option of choosing between free and premium themes. Free themes are a cost-effective choice and can still provide a solid foundation for your website. Premium themes, on the other hand, offer advanced features, customization options, and premium support options. Consider your budget, desired features, and level of customization needed when deciding between free and premium themes. Tips for selecting a theme that suits your brand and objectives. To choose a theme that aligns with your brand and objectives, consider the following tips. Number 1. Ensure it's responsive and mobile friendly. Number 2. Look for a theme that matches your brand and niche. Number 3, consider the customization options available. Number 4, check for regular updates and good customer reviews. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you